Good morning, teachers. Today I wanted to tell you about a tech tool called QuietTube. It is a way for you to show videos without any of the advertisements and any distractions on the outside. So you can see this is a video that I would like to have used in a lesson, let's say. If you haven't checked out Emily Arrow, please do. She is wonderful and she makes songs based on little kids' books, and they have been bringing us great joy with my 4-year-old here at home. But I don't want all these advertisements when I send it out to my family. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go to quiettube.com. Notice that QuietTube, they share the T. So it's quiettube.com. And then you're going to take and click on this box and drag it up to your bookmarks bar, wherever you'd like it to live. Then, when you have your YouTube video open that you're going to use for your link, all you have to do is click on your QuietTube bookmark that you just made, and it will transform your video into a screen that has no distractions, so that when you're